Hello, welcome back. Today I would like to share you how you can fix when your iPhone is disabled. This is happen when you forgot your password, when you are trying to enter password many times and then your phone will be disabled. Now here is the video how to fix it. It is very simple. So in order to fix this, you just need a PC or a Mac. Now for this one I'm gonna show you on Windows. It means the normal PC because many people are using Windows. Now what you need this software, so you need to run for your key. You can right click and run it as administrator. For this software it also discount as well. You can grab the coupon in my video description and then you can put it in to get a discount. Now you have to connect your phone into your PC or your Mac. So if you have Mac, now you're gonna see two options here. For the first one, it is unlock passcode screen, and for the second one, it also allows you to unlock Apple ID for those of you that forgot the Apple ID. Now for this one, I'm gonna mainly show you on passcode. Now we can just go to here, click on unlock passcode, then click on start. And it is going to tell you some instructions. So in order to fix it, you need to put your phone in recovery mode. Now I'm gonna power off my phone first. Then I can just slide here. After my phone is completely turned off, I can just hold the home button and then plug in the USB here. Then you should be able to see the recovery mode screen here. Now you are able to restore. For the process, it is going to erase all of the data on your phone. So if you have photo, if you have apps and so on, they will be deleted. Now I'm gonna click on download, or if you have already downloaded iPSW, you can import it in. And for me, I have already downloaded iPSW, and where you can download from the link in my video description. I also include the link for iPSW download. Now I can just hit on select. Then I'm gonna click on browse. And how to find the iPSW that I have just downloaded. And for me, it is going to be in download. And here is the iPSW that I have just downloaded. I can just double click to open. And finally, I can click on start to unlock. While you are doing this process, make sure your computer is connected to the internet as well. So if you don't connect to the internet, it doesn't work. Now it is completely done, so you can unplug and wait for your phone to boot to the setup screen. Now we are standing on the setup screen, so I can just hit on the home button. Now set up the language and the country, and I'm gonna set up it real quick. Now the setup is done and you can see the passcode has been removed. One more thing, it is running on the latest version from Apple. It is 13.6.1. Finally, thanks for watching. I hope this quick video helped you. Then I will catch you guys in the next one.